Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem, we're told that we have a group of 202 people who went on an overnight camping trip and they took 60 tents with them. Some of the tents held 2 people each and the rest of the tents hold 4 people each. Assuming all the tents were filled to capacity and every person got to sleep in a tent, exactly how many of the tents were 2-person tents? Okay, so let's say let X equal the number of 2-person tents, and let Y equal the number of 4-person tents. So we have a total of 60 tents, so the number of 2 persons plus the number of 4 persons, X plus Y, is equal to 60. Now, the total number of people is 202. So this can be a little bit more complicated of an equation, but it's not too bad. So total people equals 202. And so the people sleeping in 2-people tents plus people sleeping in 4-person tents together are 202, right? Because we're told that every person got to sleep in a tent, so everyone is either in this group or this group. So how do you find the number of people that are in 2-person tents? Well, you take 2 people per tent times the number of tents, which is X. How do you find how many people are in 4-person tents? Well, we have Y tents, 4 people in each. So let's say you had 10 of these 2-person tents. If you had 10 tents with 2 people in each of them, then the total would be 20. 2 times 10. Same thing here, we just don't know it, so we have X. This is equal to 202. So we have one equation and the other, and now we can solve for our variables, and it looks like we want to solve for X because we want to solve for 2-person tents. You could solve for Y and then use that to find X, but that's just an extra step that you don't need to do. So we have 2X plus 4Y is equal to 202. And then for this equation, we want to get it into the form such that the Y's will cancel, right? If we subtract one equation from the other, we want the Y's to cancel, and then we can solve for X. How do we do that? Well, we want to get 4Y, and we only have 1Y. So if we multiply the entire equation by 4, the value of the equation doesn't change because we're multiplying both sides by the same thing. But we get 4X plus 4Y is equal to 4 times 60 is 240. And now when we subtract, we get 2X minus 4X is negative 2X. 4Y minus 4Y is 0, is equal to 202 minus 240 is negative 38. Negative 2x plus 0 is just negative 2x. This is equal to negative 38. So if you divide both sides by negative 2 to get x on its own, these cancel, and you get x is equal to negative 38 divided by negative 2, which is positive 19. Your answer is going to be C. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.